Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting WhatsApp notifications on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Zepp app on your phone and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on your watch's name under Devices. Tap Notifications and Reminders. Then select App Alerts. Tap the toggle to the right of App Alerts to turn it on. Tap Go to Settings. Follow the steps on the screen to make the Zepp app run in the background, if you have the Run in the Background permissions turned off. Turn the toggle on to the right of Notify Me only when the mobile phone screen turns off, if you only want to get notifications on your watch when you're not currently using your phone. Tap Manage Apps at the bottom of the page. Tap WhatsApp to select it. Now when your phone screen is locked, you will get WhatsApp notifications to your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.